Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to make a video in a video editor. It is free. It is pre-installed in Windows 10. So let's go to video editor. So this is very easy. So first go to a new video project. Yeah, and when you come here, you'll find this page and you have to just make a name of this. So I can just say tutorial. And okay. Now after that, to start with this, we have an add option over here. So click add from PC. You can add videos or you can add images. You can add, yeah. So let me see. Example these. Example about water pollution. Open. Yeah. So after this, you need to drag them over here, or you can just select everything and click place in storyboard. Now after placing in storyboard, it'll be a bit easier because if you just you can keep a duration for this. Click select this and duration. You can keep 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 5 seconds, 7 seconds. For everything you can keep 5 seconds. You can add a title card, means like a welcome intro and outro for it. So this one, now you can see it is totally blank. Now let's add something. So right click and click edit. You can keep text, motion, 3D effect, filters. I'll go to text. I can type welcome. Oh, I select the wrong one. 1 minute. Yeah. This right click, edit, text. Over here you can keep welcome. Come and you can have simple, love, joy, classic, adventure, and there are more. See, quiet, boom, cinema. My favorite one is joy. As I can just click done, and then you can add a different background also for it. You can keep this color black if you want. Keep any color you want. I'll just keep for now red. Just click done. So then you need a proper animation for your video. So let's go to each one, but let's go for this, the second one. Edit, and let's keep motion. In motion, you can keep like zoom in center, zoom out center, zoom left, zoom right, and all. So there are few. Let's keep zoom out center and let's see how it will be. Yeah, the movement. Or you can just keep zoom in. That. And you can keep a 3D effects, but I don't use the 3D effects much. But if you want, you can add. Like this is an atomic one, atomic motion. Now if I just play it for now, yeah, it came like that. If you don't want, just click this cancel. Go to 3D library. You can search animals and insects, dinosaur, action, adventure, so many other. Let's go for action and adventure. So you can add anything you want. uh, I'll just add this drone for now. It's loading, so to upload it, it'll load for a second. Okay, I think I'll just click cancel and keep other one. To go back here, I'll go to dinosaur. Just keep a dinosaur. So yeah, if you wait for some long time, you can just keep it and then play it again. But if you don't want, no need. You can keep filters, original, classic, adventure, pearl, demon. So there are so many of these. You can choose the perfect one which you like. You can also add a pixel also. So yeah. Now let's just click done, and yeah, and now outro also you can just add a title card. But over here, as you can see, it is coming over here. It should come at the back, so you can just drag it till the end, and you know how to add a text, how to add a background for it. Now we need a voiceover. Example, I want my own voice. You can just go to custom audio and you can add an audio file. So basically, if you want to add audio, you can go to voice recorder, which is also free. See, voice recorder. This one you don't need to download. It's also like video editor. It'll be pre-installed, and you can just click this one, and whatever you record, will be saved here. Example, this is enough, and I'll just stop it. Yeah, and then you can just rename so that you will remember. Example, tutorial, and you don't know where it will be saved. This tutorial, this recording. So let's go to see more and go to click open file location, and then you can see this. If you want to keep somewhere easier that you'll every time go to, just go click that. I usually go to desktop or download, so there I'll click. Now I'll close this now. Add an audio file, and then over here as you can see tutorial, because I'm in downloads tutorial, and click open. So this will be only this custom audio. This audio will be only for this much because uh, this video is 21 seconds and this tutorial is 5 to 6 seconds. So that's why you can add more seconds. If you have a lot of content, you can do that. You can add more images or you can add some videos and you can like merge them in this only. Then if you want a background music, so background music, you can keep anything. There are so many like this. But if you want to add your own, you can also do that. Example, custom audio, you can add an audio file, and the music which you have, you can keep it anywhere you want. I think, yeah, this is mine. I kept in a folder. I'll open it, click done, and now this is the preview of the video, and whatever you record, it will be. So now you can see that the voice of mine in that is very low. Let's go to custom audio again, and in this is our tutorial. So let's click this sound and keep it. Oh, it's 100%. Okay, let's reduce the sound of Alan Walker. Let's keep it 25, and let's click done. will be saved here. For example, this is enough. So yeah, now that is how you create your own video by pictures, or you can merge videos in this. So this is the tutorial of the video editor. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Tech Guide.